ඔන්න කවුද විදුෂ මේ වෙලාවේ තමයි කියන්නේ right so education this is the first question that we did second question that we did and this is the third question that we did earlier so this is you have to find the perimeter of this right in the speed equation here so x plus 5x plus x plus 2x plus 10 x plus 5x plus x plus 2x plus 10 so altogether you can add because these are like terms and it will give you altogether 19 right. So, fourth question. Fourth question is y to the power 3 plus y to the power 2 plus y. Right? Write down as a product of two factors. Write down as a product of two factors. Y cube plus y square plus y. Write down as a product of two factors. So how do you write down this as a product of two factors? So y common term. Common term. How many y's can you take out? Here you have 3 y's. Here you have 2 y's. Here you have single y. So from all of these 3 y's, you can take out only one y. Right? Only one y. Right? So shall I explain this? Y cube plus y square plus y. So if you expand this, you can write y to the power 3, y times y. Actually, no need to expand. If you know how to take one y out from this, no need to expand. Right? I am just explaining how to do if you forget that. Y plus y to the power 2, y times y plus y. Now, each and everywhere you can take, right? Here you have 3 y's, here you have 2 y's, here you have 1 y. So you can take 1 y out because all of the 3 terms, the common term is 1 y. 1 right? Equal y term, right? Y times y times y times y. So if you take 1 y out, the remaining y's are y times y. Right? Y times y means y squared plus if you take 1 y out from here, right? So there are 2 y's, 1 y out from the bracket. Remaining thing is y. Here you have only y, so you are taking it up. The remaining thing is 1. So this is the product of two factors. So this is the answer. Fifth one. Find the value of මේ වගේ එකක් ගිය සතියේත් කරා -1 to the power 999 -1 to the power 999. How to find the value? කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? We did some same kind of thing in last week. Right? We did same kind of thing last week, right? So, what did I told you to remember? If you have a minus term, right? Minus term, and if you have odd power, what would be the sign of it? The answer should be negative, right? Minus sign, odd power. Minus sign, odd power. 999 means odd. 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 Right? Odd. The answer should be definitely negative. 1 to the power 999. What is the answer? 1. 1 to the power 1000. 1. 1 to the power 2. 1. 1 to the power 10. 1. If the power is, let's say, if the power is even, what should be the answer? Is it negative 1 or positive 1? Positive 1. Right? Negative power, sorry, negative number or power. Negative was negative power, sorry, negative number, even power, positive was. Right? So that is the chapter A. I told it last week, right? So I will write some example for that. Minus 1 to the power 1000. Right? Negative value, even power. Answer is positive. Answer is positive 1. Right? If you want, you can write down plus it. Next question. So find the value of x. You need to find the value of x. So how do you find the value of x? So this is the straight line, right? On that straight line you have x. This is an right angle triangle which is 90 degrees, you know, right? Magnitude is 90 degrees and 2x. So these are the angles of straight line, right? Angles on a straight line. So x plus 90 degrees plus 2x. X plus 90 degrees plus 2x equal to 180 degrees, right? So you can write x plus 2x plus 90 equals 180. So this is the thing, right? Angles on a straight line. X plus 2x, 3x plus 90 equals 180. So this is plus 90. If you want to remove that, what can you do? 90 degrees minus 90 degrees from both sides. 180 minus 90 degrees. Right? Cancel out. Cancel out. So in my left hand side, I have 3 equals 180 minus 90. I have 90 degrees. So here you have 3x. So I need to remove 3. Need to divide both sides by 3. 3 times 1. X equals 30 degrees. 90 divided by 3. 30 degrees. Right? So you can refresh your knowledge very fast today. හරි ඒකයි මම මේව කරන්නේ. Right? එතකොට අමතක වෙලා තියෙන දේවල්, right? The things that you have forgotten can be reminded again. Right? So that is the sixth one. Seventh one. 1/9 plus 5 upon 80. Two fractions. Two fractions to be added. Two fractions to be added. So how to do? You need to make sure that you have equal two denominators. Neither. So here you have 9, 80. So you can't do this next. So you need to make sure that this denominator and this denominator are equal together. So 9 and 80. What should be the least common multiple? No need to find the least common multiple, right? 18 is a multiple of 9. 18 is a multiple of 9. So 9 times 2, 80, right? So I am going to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 2 plus 5 upon 80. So that I can convert this 9 into 80, right? Equal mark 1 times 2, 2. 9 times 2, 80 plus 5 upon 80, right? So now equal denominators 18, 80. So you can add the numerator 2 plus 5. So the final answer is 7 upon 80. So this is the way that you need to do, right? Right. Eighth one. Express 40% as a fraction. So how to express 40% as a fraction? 40%, 40%. Percent means 100. Percent means 100. So 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. Right? So how do you represent 40% as a fraction? Numerator should be 40. Denominator should be 100. 1, 0, 0. 0, 0. So can you simplify this furthermore? 40 and 100? Yes, you need to keep this in the simplest form. So how do you keep this in simplest form? You can simplify it. 0 to 0, right? Here you have 4, here you have 10. Both are even numbers and both are multiples of 2. So you can simplify. 2 times 2, 2 times 5. So the final answer is 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. Right. 9 one. Right. The LCM. LCM means least common multiple of 3, 6 and 8. 3, 6, 8. So you need to find the least common multiple LCM of 3, 6 and 8. 3, 6 and 8. How do you find the LCM of 3, 6 and 8? So I will use here. Right. So I will write. This is like in a mem. I am going to divide it. So where should I begin? Right? What is the least common? What is the minimum prime factor? It is 2. So you have to divide this by 2. 3 cannot be divided by 2, so keep it as it is. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. Again, can you use 2? Yes, because 4 can be divided. Here 3, here 3. 2 times 2, 4, comma, comma. So again, you can use 2, 3, 3, here 1. Until you obtain 1, 1, 1, 1, you have to divide. Now you can use 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 1. So you have learned these things in previous grade as well. So how to find the LCM? So you can write down the LCM as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3. 24. Right? Right. 10th one. This is the last one. Here on the way. Right? The higher current more. Right? So 10th one. Simplify 0.75 multiply by 100. 0.75 multiply by 100. So how do you keep the answer for this one? Decimal number multiplied by whole number, right? So first of all, you need to forget the decimal places, then multiply it by 100, then allocate the decimal. Oh, this is multiplied by 100. So how many zeros are there for 100? 2 zeros. So decimal point should jump to your right hand side, right? How many times? 2 times, because you have 2 zeros, right? This is 0.75. I am going to jump 2 times to my right hand side. 1, 2. Right? So my answer is 75. Decimal point comes to the end. So the 1, 2, the answer is 75. Okay, good. Sorry. So speed revision is also over, right? So thank you. Some of you guys have dropped. කට්ටියට මම හිතනවා තේරුණා කියලා. මොනවා හරි unclear point එකක් තියෙනවා නම් you can stay and ask from me and you can clear them before you are leave. ඔයාලා යන්න කලින් clear කරගෙන අහගෙන යන්න. හරිද? So මෙතන මම ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් කරා. මම වේගෙන් එක කරනවා so that I have named it speed revision. ඒක නම් කරලා දෙන speed revision කියලා. මේව කරන එකේ ඔයාලගේ මේ term test එකට ගොඩක් right ලකුණු ස්කෝර් කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. මොකද ඔයාලගේ memory එක refresh වෙනවා. Like you can see the video and after so that I will upload this video to the group and හරිද? අදට class එක මම මෙතනින් නවත්තනවා. So I will wind up the class from here today. Right? Thank you for joining and let's meet in the next week. I will put the homework to the group as well. Right? And good night, stay safe and good luck with the exam.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Bye.